Aloha again. So here we have a beautiful ulu specimen. A lot of low branches, nice round shape. There's a really equal light coming in, nice spacing for light penetration into the inner section of the tree. This particular grove is planted fairly close together, so some of the trees in this grove have stretched up towards the light, and we'll be needing to reduce those branches back down to just over head height, maybe 6 to 8 feet tall. This tree, we're going to be reducing the canopy and taking about, I would say 10% off the top. So just where these branches or more main trunks are starting to come out of the canopy, we're going to reduce those back down to the canopy of about 18 to 20 feet, and make the breadfruit more more accessible, more easier to harvest. And yeah, some of these trees, like this one, let's check this one out. This is a good angle to see this breadfruit tree because it does have some nice lower branches right here, but then you can see there's leads that are stretching way up for more sun, more light. So those we're going to bring drastically back down to closer to 50, maybe 12 to 15 feet, and let those rebranch for more accessibility. But then again, you can see what's critical for pruning fruit orchards is sun exposure. So as you can see, this mango is competing and blocking the sun for this ulu, and we have all these stretchy branches which we don't want. So ideally we'd come in and reduce these mangoes to about 12 to 15 feet, and then reduce the ulu so there's less competition for sunlight, branches stay lower, and fruits stay lower. And planning ahead and not having the trees as close will help with that. Letting more sunlight into the orchard.